Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Sunset YouTube channel. We are in day 18th of the Tatadas provinces presentation challenge. Today I have solved a grand assignment for complexing of 6 questions, string rotation, this one, using slashing operator. If it is present, then use the length of it, and if else it is a forward base. Compare last to fourth to last, and start to last, and this is in straight order, starting to ending of the rotated one. This is forward case, this is reverse case. If matches, it is printed, else 0. If both are same, then if starting character and ending characters are same, written number of rotations. If front is different, then no match. Don't need to check only. This is an order matrix one. You will get a matrix of this size 123, 30, 10 to 5, 11, 15. You have to change first this matrix into a, you have to return matrix as user function form matrix one that row matrix equals to input output, and change that each individual values of the array into integers here, and after which I converted this matrix provided into a list item. Here you can see that row position, column position, matrix dot type in matrix dot positions into the matrix list, and the main thing comes here only. Place it to matrix element, row element dot type in matrix dot current element equals current call. No need of this, and this too also. Let's run it. Okay, this is much optimization. We are using current call because we have to get elements at that index. If you use column or element, it will recall again from start to that range only. That's why you have to use this one back. And in between I changed it at 2 integers to characters also. In order to find perfect square, you have to get the square numbers from list from 2 to that number, and running from start number to n number plus 1, including n number also, and getting squares of the number in square number. If comparing that with if element in square number, then return at first element. If not in this range, start number and n number, then no need to return, then state in it no perfect square. That's it. Numbers in string 1. This is so simple. You have to extract each number in the string and add it and find the average. This can be done simply to return two strings at a time and send a format, sum of digits and average of that number. I could have used the sum of digits, not a problem. Character to int, change individual characters of this number. This number list to that integer list. If characters in sentence is a digit, then append it to the number list. If not, skip it. That's it. Little more difficulty to that of the previous question. Same disaster dot only, but here you have to extract continuous number and add it and subtract it. If Karen have created words using sentence the split keyword, you can see that using this one I have expected, and after that it let include each character in the word. If word of character is a digit, then append it to a number which is a string one and double check. If word of character is not equals to that only, appended number, and next change that number to a string, empty string. If it's not an empty string, then only append the number outside the final number will be added here. And it compresses of quotations also here. Let's remove it and run it. Yeah, we need this also. Run it. String format like that only. Changing character to integers, integer to character. We send our functions only. Today I solved basic access on the topic of permutations and combinations. Score and continuation that video under that today's problem space 1. I have written attempt questions on past simple tense and secured good grades, good marks in this test. Here 14 out of 15. Here 10 out of 14. And here 10 out of 10. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, which let's check how many questions were not attempted. Let's check this. What equals to input reverse what equals to what of minus 1 print what equals to reverse word run it. All things are per magic. Submit it. That's great. Not attempt. Get out 50 only. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please share and subscribe my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end.